Kia ora, welcome back to Mama's Kitchen. Today we are making burger buns and sliders with our Mama's dough mix. You will need 65 grams of butter melted, 1 egg and 1.5 cups of warm water. Add this to your bowl and mix until all combined. You will need to add your Mama's magic yeast packet, which is found in our dough mix bag, and add the Mama's dough mix. Mix until all combined, or you can use a stand mixer if you prefer that, or a wooden spoon and your hands. You will need to cover the dough and set aside until doubled in size. Pat out your dough once it's doubled in size and cut into your desired bun size. You can either weigh your buns to be precise or totally estimate it. That's what we did today. We got 6 large burger buns and 12 mini sliders. So you'll roll these out and form a ball. And to get the classic burger bun look with the golden top, we dipped ours in a egg wash. So you'll just mix together a couple of eggs and dip them in the egg wash, or if you have a pastry brush, which is preferred, just brush on the egg wash, but we didn't have one today. To keep with the classic burger bun look, we added sesame seeds on top. This is totally optional, you don't have to do that. And we also added poppy seeds to a few of our slider buns. You'll need to cook this for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees until golden brown, and you have perfect buns. How good are they? So good.